Hey team, Christian and Melly here again from Raine and Horne, Cashmere. Welcome to this thoughtfully renovated Hoon Hay property. If you're looking for a home with sun, space and style and easy family living, then this one ticks all of the boxes. Set on an 819 square metre fully fenced section, the home has been thoughtfully extended and updated throughout, including a Coloursteel roof installed approximately 10 years ago, giving you peace of mind alongside a fresh modern feel. The open plan kitchen, dining and living area is the heart of the home. The modern kitchen features quality appliances and engineered stone benchtops, perfect for everyday family life and entertaining. From the living area, the home flows through bifolding doors onto two sun-soaked decks. Both of them are perfect for summer barbecues, relaxing, or simply sitting back enjoying the large backyard. The home offers 4 bedrooms, all with wardrobes, including a master with a tiled ensuite, walk-in wardrobe and deck access. There is a modern full-size family bathroom with twin sinks, plus plenty of storage throughout the home, a separate laundry and a super handy office nook. The home has a standalone double garage with plenty of off-street parking and a driveway with plenty of space for the kids to ride a bike or scooter. This move-in ready home offers comfort, space and modern living in a popular part of Hoon Hay and just 15 minutes drive from the central city. Come and see it for yourself. I would love to show you through and make this your next family home. Once again, I'm Christian and Melly from Raine and Horne, Cashmere, and I look forward to meeting you at the open home.